Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best selling in the painting supplies that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10. Best selling in the painting supplies. It can be tough to justify the cost of pricey materials when you aren't sure where your next paycheck is coming from, and you are running your business on a tight budget. There is a fine line between saving money on discount materials and saving frustration and time with artist-grade materials. We recently had the chance to talk with some artists about the role that art materials. Number 10. Yoodelife Cotton Mouth Mask Anti-Dust Mouth Mask Unisex Face Mask Reusable. Soft and comfortable to your face, very effortless, breathable to wear. Main features. Anti-dust. Wearing this face mouth mask. Premium quality. The mouth mask is made of high quality. Wide application. This anti-dust mask. Number 9. VTER Cotton Face Breathing Mask Comfortable Washable Cotton Mask White. High-grade 2 layers filter made by knitted cotton, easy breathing. Main features. Health protection. The mask uses a soft, comfortable design. Soft fabric is used. Premium material. The lightweight air face mask. Number 8. Howard Products FW0016 Wood Polish and Conditioner 16 ounces orange. Use feed and wax to preserve wood finishes and keep the finish from drying out and cracking. Main features. Enhances the natural beauty. Helps to prevent further drying of the wood. Polishes all wood surfaces to a soft luster. Number 7. Yoodelife Anti-Dust Black Mouth Mask Unisex Cotton Face Mask Muffle Mask Anime Mask. It would be a must-have item for cycling. Main features. Anti-dust. Wearing this face mouth mask. Great gift. This can be a good choice as gift. Premium material. This new mouth mask adopts high quality. Number 6. Pro Grade Paintbrushes 5EA Paintbrush Set. Heavy-duty solid wood handles are designed for comfort and control. Main features. Paintbrushes for interior or exterior projects. Paintbrush set includes 1 EA of 1 inch flat, 1/2 angle. Premium quality paintbrushes at a cheap price. Number 5. PM 2.5 Activated Carbon Filter 5 Layers Replaceable Anti-Haze Filter PM 2.5 Replaceable Filters 50 PCs. Main features. Filtration technology, made of activated carbon. We guarantee that your PM 2.5 activated. 5-layer filtration, multiple protection. Number 4. Pansonite Unisex 3 PCs Anti-Pollution Dust Mask 3D Face Mouth Mask Washable. We promise to ship within 48 hours, please rest assured to buy. Main features. Excellent after-sales service. Anti-dust. We promise to ship within 48 hours. Environmentally friendly material. Adopt 3D import. Number 3. TATUBE 50 PCs Mouth Disposable Face Mask for Unisex Outdoor Protection Anti-Dust Mask. The mask is made of 3 layers of high quality. It has a stronger filtering effect and is more warm. Main features. Widely application perfect mask. Shipment might take 14 to 21 days. 3 layers of material. Number 2. DewAmor Reusable Washable Neoprene / Cotton Face Mask Protection from Dust. The cotton is skin friendly, washable, and reusable. Washable reusable cotton. Main features. Take this bold fashion accessory everywhere. Wash and wear. This anti-dust face mask. Protect against dust and pollen. Number 1. Lanier Wellness Reusable Face Cover Pack of 2 Blue / Whit. This mask is not intended for medical use, and not proven to reduce the transmission. The CDC recommends use of cotton. Main features. Inner layer, 100% cotton. This mask is not intended for medical use. Mask is 5.5 from nose to chin. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.